In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to give your website a fresh new look, updating your background image is a simple and effective way to do just that. Let's dive right in and step by step make this adjustment with ease. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you've navigated to the login page, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll see an option to continue with Google, which is a convenient way to log in if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google profile. This process is secure and can save you the hassle of manually entering your login credentials. After logging in, you'll be presented with a list of your websites. Select the site for which you want to change the background image by clicking on it. This will take you to the site's dashboard where you can access various customization options. Now it's time to enter edit mode. You should see an edit button on the page. Click on it to start editing your website's layout. Once you're in editing mode, navigate to the section of your website where you want to change the background image. You'll want to locate and click on Edit Section. This option is usually available when hovering over the section you wish to customize. Within the editing menu, you should see an option to modify the background. Click on Background to bring up the settings for that section. This will allow you to change the image currently displayed as your background. Now, to actually change the image, you need to click on Replace. This action will open up choices for uploading a new image or selecting a stock image. If you have a specific image you want to use, click on Upload File to browse your computer for the image you desire. It's advantageous to ensure your chosen image is high quality and appropriately sized to prevent any unwanted cropping or resolution issues. Alternatively, if you prefer using a professionally designed image, you have the option to choose from the stock library. This feature provides a wide range of high quality images suitable for various themes and purposes. The library is a fantastic resource for finding visually appealing backgrounds that align with your website's aesthetic. Once you've selected your new image, either from your files or the stock library, it will automatically update the section's background. Take a moment to look at the changes, ensuring it meets your expectations. When you're satisfied with the new look, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it, a brand new background image, adding a fresh touch to your site in just a few quick steps. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly updated Squarespace site.